How to make a stand and please donate. So first, just go to a booth that you want. So I want to go to this booth. So just simply click on E or hold E on your keyboard to claim the stand. And now as you can see, I have my stand right here. And now just simply hold on E again to edit your booth. So as you can see right here, we want to edit the text. So let's say, please, please donate right here. I'm just going to put hello first right there. Now just exit out, and you could also change the text font if you want. So let's say I want this text right here. Just set it to cartoon. Now you could also change the text color, or let's say I want blue. And also, of course, you could also change the stroke opacity. Now when we go back right here, as you can see, it's now right there. And you could also change this one, but you will need to pay for some of these, and you need 1k Robux to need it and stuff to get these. But anyways, once you're done with that, to add the buttons here, so as you can see, I have my donation buttons. To add more of those, we will need a game pass, and to do that, just simply open up your browser and go to the Roblox website. Now once you're on the Roblox website, just simply click on create here on the top, and just click on any experiences or creations that you have. I'm just gonna pick this one, so it doesn't matter. Once you're done, just scroll down here on the left side till you see monetization, then click on passes below it or under it right here. Now just simply click on create a pass just like so. Now just name it anything that you want. I'm just gonna name it something random, and for the description, doesn't matter. You could also change the image if you want. You just simply need to click on change and pick any picture that you want. Once that's done, just simply click on create pass just like so. And once you've created the pass, just simply click on that pass that you have created. Then go to sales right here on the left side and make sure that this button is enabled, which is the item for sale. And now let's say I want to set the price just 1 Robux. Now just simply click on save changes. Now once that's done, just go back right here and click on settings. Make sure that it's set to public, then just simply click on save changes. Now when we go back to please donate right here, simply open up your booth again and just refresh it right there. Now as you can see, another Robux button has been added, and now they can basically just click on that button and now they can donate. And that's how I basically make a stand and please donate.